If you're interested in a fantastic opportunity to make a living working from home with nothing but a computer and internet connection, I've got something I think you'll love. There's a fun, exciting, and very profitable opportunity available, and if you'll give me just 10 minutes of your time, we can both find out if you've got what it takes to make huge profits. Please pay very good attention to this video because there will be a quiz at the end of the training, and you can only take the next step if you pass that quiz, so make sure you take notes. You probably know a little bit about how trading and stocks work, but just in case you don't, let's first establish some baseline type stuff. Investing, trading, stocks, it's all the same. You buy something and hope that the price of that something changes in your favor and becomes more valuable so that you can then sell that something and make a profit. It's very simple. Online trading is even better because you don't actually have to buy stocks or currencies or other commodities. You can trade simply by predicting or speculating on the direction the price will go. For example, you can speculate that the price of an item will go up, and if it does, you'll make a profit. But you aren't limited by just one direction. You can also speculate that the price of an item will go down and make a profit from that as well. With binary options trading, you'll be able to trade by simply predicting the direction of the market, either up or down. Today, we're going to learn about trading binary options and look at how easy it can be once you understand the basics. Anyone can do this. Right now, there are stay-at-home moms, part-time investors, full-time career investors, all trading from home, making thousands of dollars a month, and all it takes is a little initiative and a good understanding of how it works, which I'm about to give you. Trading binary options can be both profitable and extremely exciting. The rush that you get from taking a trade is intense. And the idea of making all that money simply trading from home makes it that much more attractive. On the other hand, if you jump right in and don't get the proper training, you could lose your shirt very quickly and get discouraged with the whole idea. Trading binary options isn't rocket science, but you do need to know what's going on, and you need to understand how money is made with it, as well as have proven strategies that'll help you be a successful trader. I'm going to do you a big favor and show you how easy and profitable trading can be. I'm going to give you what I never had, and that's someone to just explain in plain English the what and the how of trading. When you're done here today, you'll be well on your way to becoming a great trader and making a full-time income from your trading. The trading world has changed a lot over the years, and binary options trading is still pretty new. So let's go over some basics. Let's take a look at how foreign exchange works. This is also known as Forex. Currency trading involves the exchange of one currency for another, hence the name Forex or foreign exchange. So it's always done with a pair of currencies. One type of currency is compared to the other type. Profit is made when price difference in the right direction occurs between the currencies being exchanged. For example, if you have US dollars, those dollars are able to buy a specific amount of euros today, right now. Now, because of the ever-changing economy of both European countries and the United States, tomorrow you might be able to buy more euros for the same amount of US dollars, or you might be able to buy less euros for the same amount of US dollars. It just depends on the direction that the market goes. Put another way, if you use US dollars to buy euros today and the US dollar goes down tomorrow, you can then sell those euros and you'll get back more US dollars than you initially spent, effectively making a profit. Now, in practice, you don't actually have to have the currency in your possession, and in actuality, you really just predict the direction of the market. Brokers. The problem for the average consumer is that nobody knows where to get foreign currency except for banks. And banks charge high fees for exchanging foreign currency. Plus, there are huge delays if they don't have the currency you need at that specific bank. They'll have to order it, not to mention the delay in selling the currency back. If the price is right and you decide you want to sell it back, it'll just take too long to do that, and the price might actually change again before you've made the actual exchange and taken your profit. So the profits that you would have made would be eaten up by the high fees the bank charges and the delay in making that transaction. And that's understandable because exchanging foreign currency isn't really what banks are for, right? Plus, if a bank exchanges foreign currency, they give you the physical currency, and that isn't what we need at all. When I buy euros, I don't need to actually receive those euros because I'm going to trade them away quickly. It's a short-term investment. You want to buy foreign currency instantly and be able to sell it back just as quickly, at the drop of a hat, so to speak. What we need is a way to trade currency, but only on the books. So trading involves the use of brokers to cut out the physical exchange of currency. A broker connects buyers and sellers. A broker facilitates that exchange for you, and they do it all online. With a broker, you're not limited by the currency that you actually hold or the currency of the country where you live. You can buy Japanese yen, Canadian dollars, Australian dollars, you name it, and it all happens instantly. Volatility. If you're looking to start trading online, volatility is one of the most important factors. Volatility determines how easy it is to trade. For example, if you'd like to buy euros, you need someone who's willing to sell euros, right? If a market has high volatility, like Forex, it's easy to trade. There are always buyers and sellers looking to exchange. One of the great things about binary options is that the trading itself is very simple. For example, if you're trading currencies, the trading platform you'll use involves simply selecting the currency pair you want to trade, like euro-dollar, the amount you want to trade, like $20, and the direction you want to trade to go, either up or down or buy or sell. If you believe the euro will go up, then you buy euro dollars. If you believe the euro will go down, then you sell euro dollars. When it comes down to it, trading currency is nothing more than picking the direction you feel a currency will go, either up or down. You can trade binary options anywhere you have an internet connection. You can trade on your desktop, your laptop, your tablet, or even your smartphone. You can trade whenever you want, and you can trade any market, not just Forex. If you want to trade gold or silver or oil, it's up to you. Another benefit to online binary options trading is that you know all the risks up front. There are no surprises. Before entering a trade, you'll know exactly what the risks are and exactly how much profit you stand to gain. There aren't any hidden costs, fees, or penalties. The only fees you pay are what the broker charges, and those fees are already factored into each trade. So what should you trade? The first thing you'll need to do is decide what your underlying asset will be. You have several markets to choose from: indices, currencies, commodities, or stocks. Some traders stick to one market, others branch out to 2 or 3 or even more. Trading length. Your next binary options trading decision is the length of time where you want the trading option to expire. Most brokers have contracts that last months, weeks, days, or even just 60 seconds. You'll choose an expiration time frame that fits your trading style. The important thing to understand is that your binary trading option needs to move in the direction you predict and be profitable at or before the trade expires. Let's look at predicting the direction. With binary options, your role is to predict the direction, either up or down, that the value of an asset will change, and the change has to occur before or at the time the contract expires. If you think an asset will go up, you'd place a call or buy. If you think that the asset is going to go down, you'd place a put or sell. If you choose the right direction, you can expect a return on investment of 75 to almost 100%. Let's look at some types of assets. Currencies. Currencies involve trading just like stocks and commodities, except the trading is with currency. Specifically, Forex deals with pairs of currencies. The value of one currency is constantly changing when compared to another currency. Each currency has an abbreviation. EUR for euro, USD for the United States dollar. When you see a pair of currencies, like euro-dollar, the first currency is the base currency. It's the stronger of the two currencies. The second currency is the quote currency. So when you see a price quoted to buy or sell currency, the price is given in the quote currency. If the euro-dollar has a bid price of 1.2433, that means you'll get $1.2433 for every euro you sell. If the ask price is 1.2436, you'll need $1.2436 to buy 1 euro. Stocks. Another popular binary trading asset is stocks. Stocks, or shares, represent a percentage of ownership of a company. Practically every country has their own stock exchanges, where thousands upon thousands of stocks are traded every day. Commodities. Whether it's food, clothes, or gas for your car, we all use commodities every day. Commodities are raw material or primary agricultural products like sugar and coffee. What you pay for those products depends largely on supply and demand and what the major commodity futures exchanges decide, because they basically set the price. In binary options, you can trade commodities and predict whether the value of that commodity will go up or down. You can trade commodities in binary options with as little as $10. Indices or indexes. Markets like the Dow Jones Industrial Average or the Nasdaq or the S&P 500, the UK's FTSE 100 or the German DAX are collections of assets that are traded. The market index or indices is computed by adding all the prices of all the component assets together. You can then speculate the direction that the market index will go, and you can trade binary options on that market index itself. Now I think you're ready to take the quiz. Remember, if you pass this quiz, you've got what it takes to be a daytime trader. So think about the question and choose the answer you feel is most correct.